As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Axie cost will hit $15 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $20 by the center of 2025. Axie will ascend to $25 inside the extended time of 2026. Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.47. So the cost expanded by 41% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.36 and the year-to-year change plus 156%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 81%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.59 per 1 Axie. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $17.07 in the last part. The cost would add $1.30 and close the year at $18.37, which is plus 117% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months. Saturday, blemish 25 $8.49. Sunday, blemish 26 $8.51. Monday, blemish 27 $8.53. Tuesday, blemish 28 $8.55. Wednesday, blemish 29 $8.58. Thursday, blemish $38.60. Friday, blemish 31 $8.62. Saturday, April 1st $8.64. April 15th $8.94. May 15th $9.59. June 15th $10. The 27th of July $10.98. August 15th $11.78. September 15th $12.59. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.37 to $33.96, which is up 85%. Axie will begin 2025 at $18.37, then take off to $21.68 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $24.93. That implies plus 194% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $33.96 to $45.12, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $33.96, then take off to $36 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $38.03. It is about plus 349% from today. Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.93. So the cost expanded by 66% from the very start of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $19.76 and the year-to-year change plus 229%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 99%. In 2023, we hope to see $13.63 per 1 Axie. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $21.96. In the final part, the cost would add $1.67 and close the year at $23.63, which is plus 138% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $23.63 to $43.66, which is up 85%. Axie will begin 2025 at $23.63, then take off to $27.88 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $32.06. That implies plus 223% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $43.66 to $58.02, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $43.66, then, at that point, take off to $46.28 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $48.88. It is about plus 392% from today. 02/15/2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.90. So the cost expanded by 65% from the very start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $13.11 and the year-to-year change plus 119%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 32%. In 2023, we hope to see $12.06 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $14.25 in the final part. The cost would lose 41 cents and close the year at $13.84, which is plus 40% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $13.84 to $26.22, which is up 89%. Axie will begin 2025 at $13.84, then, at that point, take off to $16.33 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $18.78. That implies plus 90% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $26.22 to $37.26, which is plus 42%. Axie will begin 2030 at $26.22, then, at that point, take off to $27.79 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $29.35. It is about plus 196% from today. 0201 2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $10.86. So the cost expanded by 81% from the start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $13.34 and the year-to-year change plus 122%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 23%. In 2023, we hope to see $12.27 per 1 Axie. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $14.50 in the final part. The cost would lose 42 cents and close the year at $14.08, which is plus 30% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $14.08 to $26.66, which is up 89%. Axie will begin 2025 at $14.08, then, at that point, take off to $16.61 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $19.10. That implies plus 76% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $26.66 to $37.89, which is plus 42%. Axie will begin 2030 at $26.66, then take off to $28.26 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $29.85. It is about plus 175% from today. 0115 2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.13. So the cost expanded by 52% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.15 and the year-to-year change plus 153%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 66%. In 2023, we hope to see $13.63 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024,